National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Breton Sound, Chandelier Sound, Lake Bourne, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas, Mississippi Sound, until 5:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles south of Eden Isle, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Lake Bourne, Eden Isle, Orleans Marina, Pass Christian, Brigalese, and Wycliffe Key. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Wind advisory.